Okay, so unfortunately sometimes things get messed up. And we just got this back from getting programmed, and it wasn't packaged the greatest. And while I can call them, talk to them about it, and wait days for a new volume knob, we're gonna 3D print one. So we're gonna go 3D print one right now, test fit it, and then we're gonna have HD volume knobs on all of our radios. All right, so we've got a volume knob that we're printing right now that we're gonna test, and if it works, we'll make a few ones for all of our radios, and they'll be HD green.
Test it before you come to record.
I need to make a tweak to the ID of this. I made it a little too tight.
Yeah.
Tight's good in some instances, but a little too tight is sometimes
Too tight.
too tight. A millimeter too tight.
Heck yeah, I'm bigger. Or no, it's probably the other way, huh?
No, I was giving you the compliment. We're gonna actually be adding a millimeter in. We're gonna scale the whole thing up. 5.357 millimeter. Scale a bit more. 6.339. That should be good right there. So now do that. Take us 15 minutes to print this. It's going to cost us 5 cents. Like I said, this is a test piece, and I'll fit it on all of them. If it fits on all of them, then I'll make them out of green, put the HD logo on top, and we'll have all of them. We'll just have cool little green knobs on all the radios. Still clicks and retains its channel. Okay. But that's pretty good right there. You can also just scale it like 0.1 millimeter smaller again. Right now it's supposed to be pressed at 0.1 millimeter, so I can press it another 0.1. But that's pretty good. Boom. All right. Just enough tension. I don't want to hold it by the knob, but
Just like falls.
all right. I think I made 5 or 6. Literally like 0.1 millimeter of adjustment on that inner diameter to get the tension just right. So now that's our prototype. I'll change the settings a little bit, make it a little stronger, a little cleaner, and it'll be green.